Hello, this screencast is going to show you how to add project data into the back end of your website. If you log in at the WordPress login window, you'll end up with a black toolbar across the top here, which is very, very handy, and that helps you to navigate to your dashboard. So if you click here, it will take you to the WordPress dashboard that we've customized. We've added some links here for you. So if you're stuck, just come to the dashboard, navigate down here, and if you want to add a new project, just click on this link. There are other ways to do that, and I'll show you that as time goes on. But we're into this new project window. Enter the title here. Just going to kind of add random title. We're going to add a bit of lorem ipsum there. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to need to do is add these custom fields that are going to come through on your project page. Okay, so for the client, let's call it Acme Limited. The date on which it was completed is 2013, and the scope was wayfinding. And obviously you can type in anything you like here. If needed, I can turn these into drop-down fields if that's something that you'd prefer. The next thing we need to do is add some imagery to this project. If we publish it now and have a quick look at it, you can see it's going to be very, very bland. It's going to be just a title here with the project info that you've added and the body text, the lorem ipsum that you've added. So we need to edit that. We need to get some images coming through. So you can click on the edit project window when you're viewing the project. If we scroll down a little bit, there's two types of image that we're going to add. One are just the regular common or garden images that are part of your project, and the other one is a category of image called the featured image, which is quite important. Let's set that first. So to set your featured image, click the set featured image link. You can upload a file and set it as your featured image. So I've clicked upload files, and I'm going to click select files, and let's navigate down to a suitable image. I think there's a Tijuca project image in amongst this. These images are all from the old website. So right down the bottom, wouldn't you know? Let's click OK on that, or open. Now make sure your images are a minimum of 940 pixels wide. It's giving you the dimensions here. All right, and it's this 1600 number that you're interested in. That must be bigger than 940 pixels because that's the largest size at which your images are going to display on the site. Okay, the system can crop them smaller, but obviously it can't make them bigger. So we're going to set that as the featured image. And straight away we should see some changes. If we click update and then view the project, you can see it's brought through this 940 pixels wide image, and that's being displayed there. Now the featured image has a special category in WordPress. WordPress will use this featured image. We set the system up so that when you're on the home page, your project is represented by the featured image. So choose your featured image wisely. We'll just go back into the Tijuca project, and we're going to edit the project, and we're going to add some more images to come in underneath that text. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit and go to additional project images, and we can add as many as we like. Click add an image, and then again add image, because there's kind of a multiple field deal, and we're going to click upload files. I'm going to do this kind of randomly just to speed up this process. So we've added an image, and it's a very similar process. We know it's bigger than 940 pixels, so that's good, meets our requirements. Let's hit select. Let's add another. This time let's add one from our media library. This is on the media library tab. These are images that have already been uploaded to the site, and you may well want to reuse them. It might be relevant. And let's add another one of them. So we're going to add 3 additional images to this website. Sorry, to this project page. All right, and when you've done all that, click update. And then if you click on view projects, you can see our final project. And if we scroll down, you can see the images are coming through. Now at the moment this site is only styled in a very rudimentary way, just so that you can see that your content is coming through. Once you can see your content is here, you know it's in the database, and we'll be styling the site over the next couple of weeks. Don't worry about this little test sign here, that's just something that we've added. So hopefully that was helpful. If there are any problems, give me a shout, and we'll provide you with more screencasts shortly.